Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Today I just want to share some topics with you. If you are ready, so come on, let's go. DNA is a molecule made up of two strands twisted around each other in a double helix shape. Each strand is made up a sequence of four chemical bases represented by letters A, C, G, and T. The two strands are complementary. This means wherever there is a T in one strand, there will be A in opposite strand. Wherever C, G in other strand. Each strand has a 5' end and a 3' end. The two strands run in a opposite direction. This determines how each strand of DNA is replicated. First step in DNA replication is to separate the two strands. This unzipping is done by an enzyme called helicase and results in formation of replication fork. Each of the separate strands provides a template for creating a new strand of DNA. An enzyme called primase starts the process. This enzyme makes a small piece of RNA called primer. This marks the starting point for the construction of the new strand of DNA. An enzyme called DNA polymerase binds to the primer and will make the new strand of DNA. DNA polymerase can only add DNA bases in one direction from the 5' end to the 3' end. One of the new strands of DNA, the leading strand, is made continuously. The DNA polymerase adding base one by one in the 5' to the 3' direction. The other strand, the lagging strand, cannot be made in this continuous way because it runs in the opposite direction. The DNA polymerase can therefore only make this strand in a series of small chunks called Okazaki fragment. Each fragment is started with RNA primer. DNA polymerase then adds a short row of DNA bases in the 5' to 3' direction. The next primer is then added further down the lagging strand. Another Okazaki fragment is then made and the process is repeated again. Once the new DNA has been made, the enzyme isonuclease removes all the RNA primer from both strands of DNA. Another DNA polymerase enzyme then fills in the gaps that are left behind with DNA. Finally, the enzymes then ligase seals up the fragment of DNA in both strands to form a continuous double strand. As you can see, this is a summary of DNA replication. And that's all from me. Thank you guys for watching.